Hi, I'm Leah, and I'm going to show you how to upgrade the performance of your desktop computer by installing a Sandisk solid-state drive in 3 easy steps. Sandisk solid-state drives, or SSDs, can be installed in any desktop computer with the SATA interface connector or SATA host adapter. First, we need to migrate our data from our existing hard drive to our new Sandisk SSD using migration software. There are many options for migration software. We're using software in a SATA to USB cable provided by Apricorn. Just connect your new SSD like this, and you're ready to go. Next, we're ready to run the migration software. How long it takes to run the software depends on how much data you have on your existing hard drive. Once the migration is complete, power down your desktop computer and disconnect the main power cable. Next, disconnect the SSD from your computer. Now we're going to swap out our existing hard drive with our new Sandisk SSD. Keep the power cable disconnected from the PC and remove your existing hard drive from the drive bay. If your desktop has a 3.5-inch drive bay, you'll need to attach a mounting bracket to ensure it fits your Sandisk SSD properly. Next, just insert the Sandisk SSD into the drive bay where the previous disk drive was and connect it to the same SATA and power cables. Replace the case, and step 3 is done. Connect the power cable, power on your computer, and that's it. By the way, once you have your new SSD running as your main system drive, you can still use your old drive for storage. Just connect it to any available SATA interface connector inside your PC and power. You can also install your new SSD as a boot drive with a fresh installation of your operating system. See sandisk.com for more details. See? Easy. Now you're ready to enjoy the performance of your new Sandisk SSD. I'm Leah for Sandisk. See you next time.